Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Guye and you're watching Guye BTV. So in this video, I will be doing a full face full of collab products. It's makeup that I bought in December and I've been using and I love. So in this video, you're gonna watch me transform. I'm not gonna lie, I was very nervous about having my natural hair because I've never done my makeup and just had my natural hair out. So this is the first time. And I hope that you guys enjoy it. My eyebrows, because I usually do my eyebrows then come on camera, but I just thought I'd show you guys what I look like before. So this is me without anything on. So yeah, I'm excited to see what this looks like because I have no idea. But if you are new here and you love natural, you love melanin, you love girly, you like lifestyle, you like makeup, you just like me chatting, hit the subscribe button and join the squad. So I went ahead and did like one eye, that way like it was done and I didn't have to be doing my eyes for a long time. But for that, I am using the Col-lab eyeshadow palette pro. It's called Palette Pro eyeshadow and it's called Best of the Day. Like a super nice, easy to go to palette everyday kind of thing. So that's what I use for my eye. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys like what colors I use. I might have it pop up on this side or this side just so you guys can see what colors I did use. And also I'm just gonna tell you so then you guys know. The first color I go into is the color number 1. It's more of like an orangey color, but I like it because it gives me like a good, it's really pigmented. I really like it. I feel like it's very dark skin friendly. Whereas most shadow palettes are not. So like I said, I go super heavy with this. Dip it in there a couple times. My brush is from BH Cosmetics, and honestly guys, if you've been watching me for a long time, really good brushes are found on BH Cosmetics. They always have sales, and honestly they have the best brushes for someone who does not want to break their bank and still want good brushes. The next shadow I'm going to take is down here. It's the dark brown. It's number 7. And same thing, for me, since I have hooded lids, I like to start here. Like I'll show you guys, like I start here and just kind of pat it on there and then bring it around, so it almost gives you like an illusion where it looks like, oh my gosh, you have lids, you have eyes, but you really don't, you know. So like I start here, pat it, bring it down a little bit, and then just blend it out also. I'm so extra. It feels so weird with no wig on. So next I'm going to use the Col-lab primer. I chose the smoothing primer just because like I don't really have any like oil problems, so I'm just going to use that. I love this primer because it is so smooth and it literally feels like a light like you're putting on like a light moisturizer. Like it's not thick. There were 3 primer choices and this was the one that I felt like would fit, and it did. Like I love it. For the foundation, the Col-lab foundation shade I got was the darkest shade. It is the shade 12 and this is the Meteor Matte Velvet Foundation. I love this because it's literally my skin tone, and this is like my go-to now also. I don't know, like I never expected it to actually, I'm not gonna lie, I was skeptical when new brands come out that aren't like the Maybellines or the ones that are already known, like L'Oreal's, that come out with shades. I'm very skeptical because I'm like, I don't know what you're trying to sell me. And is it really going to cater to my skin tone? Granted, I knew it would be at least a good foundation because SUDANI doll, or Sarah, whom I know personally, she is one of Col-lab's creators, so like influencer creators, so I knew like she was not going to disappoint, you know. So yeah, Next, we're going to go in with the Col-lab concealer. Like I said, it's in the color Cocoa / Truffle. And we're just going to go in. Okay, and for the lips, I'm going to line my lips with this black liner. And I'm going to use the Col-lab Matte Addiction Lippy, and it is in the color What's Up. And I never used to like line my lips, but now I do. And it makes such a huge difference. Like, I actually like putting lip stuff on my lips. Lip stuff on my lip gloss, lipsticks on my lips, because it actually looks good now. Okay, and I just feel like it's not giving me the coverage I want for my lips, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to my OG, my MAC lip. Okay, and you know a look can't be a look without our Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I know I use this lip combo a lot, but I love it, so sorry not sorry. Let me comb my hair out a little bit. In honor of Black History Month. Screw it. I love my afro. I wear it to work. I look crazy sometimes, but it's cool. Let me know your thoughts. If you like the natural hair, what vibes am I giving you? I feel like I'm giving you like Angela Bassett vibes. I don't know. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Join the squad. And let me know your guys' opinion. If you want to try collab makeup, I will link everything down below so that way you guys can click onto it and go straight to the page. And if you are my skin tone, then obviously, you know, you can get the same shadow as me. But my overall thought is I love it. My favorite things were the shadow, the primer, and the foundation and the concealer. Okay. So I liked everything except the lippies. The lippies, honestly, I felt like could have had more color to it. And that's nothing like that can be fixed. And maybe I just need to try like a different type of lippy from them. But otherwise, everything else, I was very satisfied. Loved, loved, loved. And I've been using these products since the end of December. So, well, not the end of December, like before Christmas. But like, they're my go-to now. So that says a lot, because I am a person who sticks to one thing. And I used my Too Faced foundation for a really long time. And then my L'Oreal Infallible Matte. But now, like, this is my new normal. So that is it, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.